Welcome to another video from Dr. Locke. The other week I did a video on this Unocode, this old Unocode 199, and how to change it or beef it up into a 399, and basically adding a computer to it gives it all the functionality, or most of the functionality that one of the newer ones would have. And this is one of those scenarios. I was just going to give you a quick update and give you a quick demonstration of how it's now working, because I've got it all set up, and show you how long it takes to actually do a key that's not in the database, or there's no space and depth or card in the machine for. So first of all, just down here, this is where the remote control lives. It's just a remote control PowerPoint, so I push that. As soon as I push that, the machine now activates, running off a power board, and also the tablet also gets the power as well. So now the machine's on. We just have to simply hold that 3 seconds, and that will actually just boot up. So it's about the same as starting a Silca Futura. Now when the power is dropped off this, it'll actually turn itself to sleep and turn itself off, keeping the battery going. Escape. So obviously we're pushing the escape. We're pushing the wrong button there. And we're pushing the button to get into the BIOS, because we're pushing one of the volume buttons here. So I'm just going to be cutting a key, and the key I need to cut the code is CC0810. So it's just loading at the moment. I have my key blanks here, NR34. 1, 2, and 3, ready to go. Now I'm going to have to load this with one hand. As you can see, it is taking about a minute to actually boot up. If you're using this all day, you just have it powered on all the time, and the tablet will kind of turn itself to sleep. Now that it's started, I just push that, or double push. Still starting up. There we go. So it does take a little bit of time actually to boot up, maybe 2 minutes maximum, but you know, it does the job. I've got to put you in such a way here that you can see. Comms, no communications. Okay, cool. So let's put in our code now. CC0810. Put in the manufacturer, CY, Cyberlock, do search. There it is there, double press. So it's actually a computer program we're using on a tablet. That's why it's a little bit funky and it's a little bit hard, but it works quite well. Finished. Okay, so now the information's been sent to my machine. If you can see that, waiting for data. So all we need to do now is just push enter, enter, enter. And I need to load a key, one-handed. That's right to go, and start. Bit hard to do one-handed, but I think I got it sorted. Start. Okay, so let's say I was just cutting one. I could simply just power down the machine now with that, and basically the tablet would turn itself off and go to sleep. And I'd do the same on waking it up. Now if I was using this machine all the time, I'd probably just leave it running a bit more than I normally would, but because I only use it once or twice a day, I turn it off. But that's the machine working, and as you can see, in 4 minutes, it was probably about 3 minutes from start up, boot up, load up the program. I've got myself a double-sided key cut to code. The machine didn't have the card in it, didn't have the information in it. It all came from the tablet, and it all sent it from the tablet straight over, and it's all working nicely. So am I happy with my $80 upgrade? Well, it cost me about $100, $120 all up. I am, because basically I just turn it on, walk away, come back 2 minutes later, and it's right to go. I just push the button now, one button, and it turns off. Remote control PowerPoint. Just push it once, it turns off, and it's right for next time. So that's the update on the Unocode. Thanks for watching.